Tracking affiliate sales on PartnerStack is one of the most crucial steps to effectively monitor and optimize your affiliate marketing efforts, especially when you want to maximize your earnings. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to track your affiliate sales using PartnerStack, and make sure you're keeping tabs on all your commissions and leads, even if you're just getting started. First, let's dive into the PartnerStack dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the homepage where all the important information is laid out. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. PartnerStack is known for its user-friendly interface, making tracking your affiliate sales simple and efficient. To get started, click on the Reports tab from the main menu. This will take you to a comprehensive view of all your activity, from leads to sales. Here, you'll see a few different types of reports you can run, but let's focus on the Affiliate Sales Report, which will give you detailed information about your performance. Once you're in the Affiliate Sales section, you'll see your sales data neatly organized by the date, status of the sale, and the commissions you've earned. You can filter your results by different time periods, such as the last 7 days, last 30 days, or custom date ranges. This is helpful if you want to see your recent sales or evaluate performance over specific periods. One powerful feature of PartnerStack is the ability to track sales in real time. If you're working with multiple partners, clients, or offers, you can use the Partners filter to see sales performance on a per-partner basis. This allows you to evaluate which partnerships are performing best and focus your efforts on the most profitable ones. Another feature to pay attention to is the Sales Funnel Report. This shows you the progress of each sale, from the initial lead to conversion. By understanding this flow, you can pinpoint any potential issues in your funnel and make adjustments to improve conversions. As you continue using PartnerStack to track affiliate sales, you'll notice the Payouts tab, where you can track when commissions are paid out. This section shows you when the earnings will be processed and if any adjustments are made. You can even set up notifications to alert you when a payout is due or if there's an issue with a sale. If you want to go even deeper, PartnerStack allows you to integrate with other tools like Google Analytics or Zapier, so you can keep track of affiliate sales alongside your other marketing efforts. And here's the best part. If you want to get started with PartnerStack and try all of these features out, you can sign up using the link in the description below and get an exclusive extended free trial. This gives you full access to the platform, so you can test it all for yourself before making any commitment. So, now that you know how to track affiliate sales on PartnerStack, you're equipped with the knowledge to boost your affiliate marketing game. Don't forget to grab your exclusive extended trial through the first link below and start tracking your affiliate sales the smart way today.